always wanted to win the Africa Rally Championship, and we missed it by a whisker in 2022. So 2023 was looks like it was our year, but hopefully it's not the last. I really am grateful to have won the Africa Rally Championship this year, but quite hungry for some more championship wins. Continue to keep Kenya on the Africa Rally Championship leaderboard for at least the next 2 years, if not more. So I would like to think I'm young, hopefully not too old to continue winning. So yeah, we managed to secure the championship win, and hopefully going into next year we'll be able to continue this winning streak.
As we all know, so very congratulations for the winning of November sportsmanship. Mr. Karan Patel, which is showing great results on the rally sports, and I really good to see you again once more as a rally sports. I will really want to keep supporting. So one day in Kenya rally sports, I will personally go see and then cheering you guys up later on.
We just want to start off by saying thank you to LG, our sponsor. It's the end of the year. It's the last award we're giving out this year, and I think we've worked very well together. We appreciate the support, and I'm sure also the athletes who've been awarded throughout these last few months appreciate it.
Mbitika-ini